Hello Notion users, Jack Wallen here to help you make tech work. Imagine you've built the perfect Notion board for your team. This board is a work of art, and you know the slightest change can mean hours of troubleshooting. Let's find out how to lock the database for that board, such that users can still interact with it, but cannot make changes to the board's database. Log into your Notion account and then locate the database you want to lock. In my example, I'm going to lock the database for a board by status. With Notion open, you should see this listed under Favorites. With the board open, you should see a three-dot menu button in the upper right corner. Click that button, and from the resulting pop-up menu, you should see the Lock Database entry. Click Lock Database in that menu to lock the database. At this point, no one can make any changes to the database, and only you have the power to unlock it. Once the database is locked, you'll see Locked indicated at the top of the window. You can click that lock to unlock the database.
Hey everybody! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our TechRepublic YouTube channel, and be sure to check out more how-to videos at How to Make Tech Work.